Hello everyone, I'm Peter. Today I'm going to unbox the new smartwatch. It is the IWO W16 Smartwatch. Firstly, let's see the box. The box is same as the IWO W26 Smartwatch, but there is a little difference. In both sides, there are some wording, and also in this side, there are some information about the smartwatch. You can see the app is Wearfit 2.0, and you can scan this QR code to download the app. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. Firstly, we see a watch. Then, we can see a magnetic charger and the menu. Also, this watch can change straps. Okay, now let's see the watch. Firstly, the size is 44mm. It is same size as the IWO W26, and the screen is also 2.5D curved screen. Then in this side, we can see here is a round button, and it is also a red circle round button, and there is no button here, and also there is also no microphone and no speaker in this side. So this is a little different from the IWO W26. Then let's see the back. Here is a charging pin. It is also magnetic charging, and there are some writings. The back is same as the IWO W26. And this watch can also change straps. And this watch can also fit all those 42 and 44mm Apple Watch straps. The material of the case is same as the IWO W26. It is zinc alloy. Now let's power on the watch. You can see it is also 1.75-inch infinity screen. Firstly, let's see the watch face. Inside it has 3 watch faces, but it can add the extra watch face through the app. Then let's see some quick actions. We can see some buttons in this page, such as the battery level, alarm clock, and the QR code, and also the menu style. The default language is Chinese. After you connect the watch with the app, it will synchronize the language from your phone. Now I have connected this smartwatch with my phone. And you can see the language was changed to English. And from the bottom to the top, we can see the notification. And from the right to the left, we can go to the main menu. And this menu is unable to move. So it is fixed. But when you touch the icon, the icon will change. There are 6 small icons you can see in the corner and center of the edge. The 6 icons are unable to touch. When you touch, there is no function. You can only touch these large icons. Then we can also change it to the style 1. It is the 9 apps wheel. It is same as the IWO W26, but it is moving from the bottom to the top or top to the bottom. The IWO W26 was moving from the left to the right or right to the left. Then let's check those functions. Firstly is the steps and the sleep monitor. There are no function moving from the bottom to the top. And breathe. You can follow the screen to inhale or exhale. And then the heart rate. And the ECG, and the blood pressure, and blood oxygen, and the temperature. And the Bluetooth music. We can see this watch is unable to control the music volume, but it can play or pause and control to next song or previous song. So due to this watch do not have speaker here, so this watch can only remote control to play the music in the phone, and the sound is also from the phone. And the sport mode. This watch has 10 sport mode. And we can see how it shows when measuring sport mode. Only one page here. And this is the sports history. It is unable to click inside. And then the weather. This weather function is synchronize the weather from your phone. And the alarm clock. Stopwatch. Then the countdown. And then find the phone. And the brightness, you can just touch to adjust the brightness. And the menu style, you can change it to style 1 or 2 by yourself. And then the power off. So that's all those functions of this smartwatch. So above is our details today. If you like our video, appreciate you can subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.